In this video, you'll learn how to import your notes from Evernote to Notion. This process will enable you to seamlessly transfer your data and maintain your organization within the Notion platform. Start by navigating to your Notion workspace. Ensure you are logged into your account. If prompted, enter your credentials to access your Notion dashboard. This will confirm that you have the necessary permissions to perform the import. Once you are on the main Notion page, locate the sidebar on the left, look for the heading labeled Settings, and click on it. This action will open the Settings menu where you can manage various aspects of your Notion workspace. In the Settings menu, find and select the option labeled Import. This will initiate the import process, allowing you to bring content from external sources into Notion. After clicking, you should see a screen displaying various import options. Next, find the option that says Evernote among the listed import sources. Click on it to proceed. This selection indicates that you wish to import your notes, triggering the necessary import functionalities. After selecting Evernote, you may be prompted to highlight the specific notes or notebooks you wish to import. Click on the highlight option to make your selections. This step ensures you are importing only the relevant content you need. You will then need to select your first Evernote notebook, click on the notebook you want to import. This action will help you focus on the specific collection of Notion. After selecting the notebook, you will see a confirmation screen that displays your chosen notebook's contents. Click on the same notebook again to finalize your selection. This step is crucial for ensuring that you are importing the correct data. Once you have confirmed your notebook choice, click on the Import button. This will start the actual import process. Depending on the size of your notes and your internet connection speed, this may take a moment. Be patient as Notion processes your request. After the import is complete, navigate to the area where you want to create a new page within Notion. Click on New Page to set up a space for your imported notes. This will help you organize your content effectively. Next, switch to List View to see your imported notes in a more structured format. This view will allow you to easily navigate through your content. Click on List View to make the switch. Following this, click on the Highlight option once more to emphasize certain notes or sections. Highlighting will help you quickly identify important information in your imported content. Finally, change the view to Gallery View to visualize your notes differently. This view can enhance your experience by providing a more engaging way to interact with your content. Click on Gallery View to complete the process. And there you have it. Thanks for watching and see you soon.